Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about a Python project called the Portfolio Optimizer using the knapsack algorithm. This project helps you select the best combination of stocks under a capital limit and risk tolerance. Uh, we are going to use dynamic programming and visualization. So let's dive in. So the goal of this project is to read stock data from CSV file, then optimize asset selection using the knapsack method. Respect these two constraints like total capital and the maximum risk, and then we are going to visualize the efficient frontier of the risk and the return. So now I'm going to show you the project files. Here are the key files in our project. There is optimizer.py, the main script. So the main script that handles everything is here. Uh, Reading the data, optimizing the portfolio, and plotting the results. Everything is handled by the optimizer.py. And then there is assets.csv, a sample file that contains stock tickers, expected returns, risk levels, sectors, and prices. I'm going to open it. So here is this file, and then there is test optimizer.py. This is unit test file to verify our logic. Then there is frontier.png. This is basically the output in the form of a plot that shows return versus risk. And there is requirements.txt, dependencies to install, and there is readme.md, documentation and the user guide. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to run the command. So basically, before the running the command, we are going to talk about logic of this project. So here how it works. First we load the pre-process the asset data from CSV. Then we use a classic dynamic programming solution to the knapsack problem to choose a combination of assets that maximize return under a capital budget. Then we filter out options that exceed a risk threshold. After that, we sweep different values of risk to draw an efficient frontier plot that we are going to save in this frontier.png. We sweep different values here, and finally we present results in this terminal and save the plot. So this is the logic, and now I'm going to give the visual representation of this. So I'm going to copy this command, and I'm going to run this. As you can see, the program select the best combination, and it is currently under processing. We have selected the capital 75,000, and our maximum risk is 36%. So now you can see the program selected the assets which are best combination of assets under the 75,000 capital, and maximum risk is here 36%. It also shows the selected stocks, the total cost, the expected return, and the average risk. And now it is showing that frontier plot save to frontier.png. Uh, this is the frontier, the plot. We can see it in visualization. So we can see this in the chart form basically. Now we are going to run our second command to see if the our project is running efficiently or not. So we are going to paste the second command to check. So it is showing two dot and okay, that means it is working properly. Now we are going to talk about the tech stacks and libraries used in this code project. So obviously the Python is used, and pandas are for data handling. We use the matplotlib for visualization. Then there is unit test for testing. So this is the portfolio optimizer project. Let me show you one more thing, the frontier.png, the visualization. So something like this we can see here. So that's the portfolio optimizer project. It is a practical Python solution to portfolio selection under constraints. So we used here dynamic programming for asset optimization, and then we use the CSV data for ingestion and pre-processing. Then for visualization, we use Matplotlib, and we used command line interface. This is all. Thank you.